I received a question on the Amtech laminate floor repair kit. It's stock code G4210 4210. The question was, what's in the kit, how do I use it, and what's it useful for? So I just thought spend a couple of minutes going through the contents of the kit and then showing you how you can use it to repair, in this case, damaged on a piece of laminate flooring, which is very popular in most houses these days. But you've only got to drop a sharp knife or have a stone on your shoe and tread it into the laminate, and then you've got quite an unsightly mark that you need to repair. So this is the kit. Comes in a nice hinged plastic box. In the kit you have the heater tool, which I'll explain more, which sits in there. You get two of these tools which are smoothing and texturing tools, so you can smooth the laminate, and with this one here you actually can texture it if you've got quite a deep wood grain. You get 11 hard waxes, okay, they're colour coded, A up to H here. You can see them here. I've got two of them out as well. They're hard waxes, so they're not like wax you polish on your car. You get a little foam abrasive pad, and you get a piece of cotton cloth here which you can polish the surface afterwards. So that's what's in the kit. It's a comprehensive kit, not only useful for laminate flooring, but you may have some of that furniture from that large Swedish company that you've self-assembled yourself, and it's maybe got a bit of damage, or you've caught it with a case or something and put a bruise or a dent in the wood. It would also be useful for that. So basically I've created a couple of marks in the wood using the end of a chisel, just to show you. This is one I prepared earlier. Okay, and what you do, you select the colours of the wax that most suit the colours of the surface. So in this case, this wood has got light colour in the grain and also dark colour. So I've chosen F and H, okay? And you can mix them together, on a little pad, create a different colour, or as I've done here, use part of one and part of the other. You have to put the batteries in the tool. It comes with 2 AA batteries. And basically you take the protective cover on. This end gets very hot, so keep it away from the children, and don't press it into your hand, because it'll give you quite a nice little burn. You press the red button, you push the switch forward, and then hold the red button down. You can see the LED coming on. This starts heating the nozzle, and as you can see here from the wax, as this end of the tool heats up, it melts the wax. And I can start melting it now, and basically you go to where you've got the damage and you melt in as much wax of each colour as you like. And I say you could mix in more of the lighter one if you like, and just literally let the tool heat up the wax, and on the end of the tool now is some melted wax, and I use the end of the block, push it into the hole, and I'm just going to go with some of the slightly darker to create the grain. Let the tool do the work. So I've melted again onto there, and I'm just putting the wax in on top there. You now allow the wax to harden. Okay, it always stays as wax, hard wax. It's not a glue based kit. And if I go back now to this one I did earlier, where I've mixed the colours, you can use the little pad on here as a plane. Move the wax. Get it about as flat as you want, and then use the texturing tool. You can scrape over it to put sort of a wood grain finish back on, like that. I can use the buffing pad afterwards, and obviously I'm doing this quite quickly, but you can see whereas there is quite a deep gouge in the wood, I've only taken 30 seconds on this one. You can improve on it. I've filled at least so dirt won't go in and any more damage to the indentation. So I hope that helps. If you have any other questions, please go to amtechdiy.com. I look forward to answering them. Thank you.